every heartbeat, there is hope. In every smile, there is happiness. BPJS Kesehatan is here to assure that hope and happiness stay alive. For a decade, BPJS Kesehatan has been a fundamental pillar in upholding the nation's health. We have grown with the nation, committed to realizing the desired access to healthcare services. Now and onward, we will continue to move forward continuously to provide the best for the nation. Our commitment is to serve with heart and dedicate to the nation, in alignment with the organizational values we uphold. Together with you, we are ready to be a dynamic, accountable, and trustworthy institution in realizing qualified, sustainable, equitable, and inclusive healthcare coverage. With our values of integrity, collaboration, excellent service, and innovative, or known as initiative values, BPJS Kesehatan consistently ensures that our organizational missions are fulfilled. Since 1968, we have transformed and grown into a leading organization dedicated to serving Indonesia. Driven by the spirit of providing adequate healthcare protection, we continue to innovate, advancing the national health insurance system. The year 2014 marked a significant milestone for BPJS Kesehatan as we embarked on a new chapter in the history of health insurance implementation in Indonesia. Today, BPJS Kesehatan remains unwavering in its commitment to delivering top-tier healthcare services to all participants. Supported by advanced information technology, we strive to provide convenience at every service point, ensuring participants' comfort. Our priority is to guarantee that every participant remains consistently covered by the health insurance program. To this end, we have progressively introduced more efficient and user-friendly payment solutions, making contribution payments increasingly convenient over time. Through the successful execution of our health insurance program, BPJS Kesehatan has propelled Indonesia to become the fastest nation in achieving universal health coverage (UHC) globally. Today, over 276 million people, representing more than 98% of the Indonesian population, are enrolled in the National Health Insurance Program. This ever-expanding participation is matched by a remarkable satisfaction score of 90.67 points. Approximately hundreds of millions of participants utilize the benefits of the JKN program every year, a testament to the profound impact and essential benefits this initiative delivers to the nation. These accomplishments highlight that BPJS Kesehatan's progress is deeply rooted in the trust of all JKN participants have placed in us. With this in mind, we are unwavering in our commitment to dedicating all of our resources and efforts to continually delivering the healthcare coverage and access you deserve. Every action we take is guided by our unwavering commitment to ensure that every individual is respected and receives adequate care. Our mission goes beyond merely providing health insurance services. We are also dedicated to enhancing the experience through innovation and technological adaptation. With a spirit of solidarity, we are committed to strengthening a robust national health insurance system that benefits everyone. Each action we undertake is a testament to our ongoing efforts to deliver the best health insurance protection for the nation. Participant satisfaction is the top priority for BPJS Kesehatan. Therefore, we are committed to delivering health insurance services that meet the expectations and needs of all participants. For those enrolled in BPJS Kesehatan, their journey toward optimal health begins at primary healthcare facilities. Here, Fundamental medical services, including comprehensive examinations and basic treatments, are administered with meticulous care and compassion. However, in the case of medical indications, participants need advanced health services. They will be referred to advanced level referral health facilities in accordance with the online tiered referral system. BPJS Kesehatan remains steadfast in delivering a comprehensive range of healthcare services, including promotive, preventive, curative, and rehabilitative care. We are committed to ensuring that participants experience exceptional and fulfilling service throughout their entire healthcare journey. The presence of BPJS Kesehatan has made a tangible impact. Our impact extends far beyond national borders, as BPJS Kesehatan has garnered significant recognition for elevating Indonesia's global standing. We have achieved the prestigious WOW Brand Award in the health insurance category for 3 consecutive years, as surveyed by Mark Plus Incorporated. Furthermore, as a testament to global recognition, BPJS Kesehatan has received the Good Practice Award from the International Social Security Association, ISA, and has been appointed as the chair of the ISA Technical Committee on Health, which includes over 160 member countries. BPJS Kesehatan is also esteemed as a learning hub for numerous countries around the world, seeking to understand health insurance management.
The success of the JKN program is determined by the cooperation and support of all stakeholders. A solid synergy from all stakeholders is needed to support, supervise, and together oversee the implementation of the National Health Insurance Program to ensure it runs optimally. I believe that with proper and sustained collaboration, BPJS Kesehatan can provide better quality and continuous health services assurance for all Indonesian citizens. BPJS Kesehatan, Center of Excellence for the National Health Insurance Implementation.
Our commitment to innovate and provide the best service remains strong and undiminished. With the spirit of collaboration and wholehearted dedication, BPJS Kesehatan will be present to accompany you at every step toward a healthier and more prosperous life. Thank you for your trust in BPJS Kesehatan. Together, let's continue to move forward, building a healthier and stronger Indonesia.
BPJS Kesehatan. Through collective efforts, everyone gets protected.